Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about cumulative sum and total sum by bar. So firstly, let's discuss about what is meant by this cumulative sum. So here we are mainly considering item MRP and item type. So the first record value 249 is added to 48 and that value and the sum is displayed here in the second row. This sum is again added to 141 the next row, and that oral sum will be displayed here. The same way it goes on. So this is similar to lead and lag functions in SQL. So let's see how we can do this. Here I'm adding with column, and I'm just giving a column name. Sorry, cumulative sum, comma, sum of column, item MRP. Okay. Item type dot display. Okay, let's run this. It's taking time. Okay, now we got the output. If you see, this overall sum is added here. Okay, so nothing but this item MRP, when it is added, the overall value is 81894. This is the value when we add all the values of item MRP. But we don't want in such a way. We want this 51 is added to 144 and we will get the sum here, and that sum is added to 107 again. That will be displayed here. So the same way. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. I'm just copying this and adding a cell below. Okay, here I can write the order also, ascending or descending. I will just use ascending order. Okay, then rows between unbounded preceding, comma, current row. Okay, so this is, here we are using the same very above as above, but the extra thing is here we are using rows between. So this is nothing but the first row is unbounded preceding nothing but, let's consider this record as the current row. This is the preceding one, and current row is nothing but this is the current row, and unbounded following is nothing but the next value. Okay, so let's see, we got some error here. Yeah, so it's saying that window is not having current row value, right? Let's check it out. Yeah, so current, okay, we got this intelligence now, we can accept. And then I think there will not be any, this is closing here, then we need another closing bracket. Fine, see, it is matched with this first one. Now let's run this. Now we got the data output, so let's see. So this 51 is displayed here, 51, and 51 plus 144, it is 195, and this 195 plus 107 is 303. So it is working as expected. So over here we are having one thing I just forgot to tell you. Just go to 648 record. Wait. So here this is the 648 and 649 record. If you see the item types, okay, so till 648 it is baking goods, but in 649 it is bread, right? So what happened for 648, 649, 648 it is 81894, and that 81894 is added to 93, then they are getting 8216, means it is following the same order here. But when you go for the above step, okay, where rows between is not used, if you go here, see here rows between is not used. Let's stay there, stay here. Okay, so here this is 648 record. So baking goods and bread item type, right? But if we see till here we are having one value for bread, we are having some different value. Nothing but here, uh, although we are not using group by, it is taking as partition. This window functions along with order by, it will work as a group by here. Okay, so this is the major difference. So now let's do one more thing. So if I want to add, if I want to get overall value here, in irrespective of the same thing here, but I just want to get overall value irrespective of item MR, uh, item type. So in that case, let's see how we can get that. Okay, that is nothing but total sum, right? Now let's try to get total sum. Just copy it, paste it here. This is total sum. Okay, and here we will write unbounded dot. Its intelligence is not working here actually. So, but in general it will work. So don't worry about that. Window dot unbounded. Unbounded following, yes. I think it's taking time. Right. Yeah. So this is total sum. If you run, the overall sum should be displayed irrespective of item type, right? Let's see. The total sum is displayed, but let's confirm with 648 record. Yeah, this is the 648 record. Baking goods and bread is the item type. Okay. See, for 648, 649, for every item type, the overall sum is displayed. This is nothing but total sum. So in this video, we learned what is meant by cumulative sum, total sum, and cumulative sum. If we don't use rows between in cumulative sum, how the data is populated. So these three types of concept we learned in this video. Thanks for watching that.